the 10th term of a given harmonic sequence, 1/2, 1/7, 1/12, and 1/17 to a to the to sub a sub 10. Now we do have the formula here. A sub n is equals to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. First, how do we make the harmonic sequence into the reciprocal? So it is just this, really easy, and we're gonna find also the common difference in here. It's gonna be, we do have 1/2, 1/2, 1/7, 1/7, 1/12, and 1/17. The reciprocal of this sequence is just make these two up here, so that's gonna be 2 and 7 and 12 and 17. The 1 here is gonna be invisible because it's just 1, so it has invisible 1 in here. So this is now our reciprocal of our sequence. It's 2, 7, 12, and 17. And now we're gonna find the common difference of the sequence. So it's like 7 minus 2. The second term and the first term must be subtracted. So that's like a sub 2 minus a sub n is equals to the common difference. So it's 7 minus 2 that equals to 5. Same as here, 12 and 7. That's 5 too. That's also 5. Let's try it. 12 minus 7 is actually just 5. Same as 17. 17 minus 12 is 5. So that's how you get the common difference in arithmetic sequence. And it is just same more like in arithmetic sequence, but here in harmonic sequence you have to reciprocate first the sequence.